Here's a short video for anyone curious about low water flow on one of these Fluidmaster fill valves in a toilet. If you have low flow, they have a restrictor that goes right in the end here. They look like this. They're of a screw. It goes in with the metal ring first. And what happens is the water has to flow around the threads to go up the shaft to fill the toilet. And if this is taken out, it's direct flow. Okay, so it goes right in the bottom here and just pushes up inside. It's rubber. It can be removed with a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay, and one thing also, which I found out to be a lifesaver really, is you don't have to actually necessarily remove the valve from the toilet in order to get it out. So I heard some of these are plastic, but the ones I've come across are rubber. You may be able to reach up inside with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it out. And if so, the only thing necessary to turn the water off and disconnect the supply tube. Beyond that, you can also release the lock. You can actually separate the valve. And what I did, rather than breaking this seal, which seals the valve to the bottom of the toilet, you didn't have to get all the water out of the toilet, etc. What I was able to do was take a piece of 1/4-inch dowel that was as long as the valve is and push it in from this end. So there may be a 1/4-inch hole down here in the bottom, I'm not sure, but anyway, the 1/4-inch dowel worked. I was able to push it in from the end and push the restrictor right out while the valve was still in the toilet. So once I did that, I reconnected my supply line. I put the valve back together, set the height and the lock, and turn the water back on, and worked like a charm. Filled a lot faster, flushed better. Hope this helps you. Take care.